Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gloryang Portable Printer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are thinking about getting a portable printer. Maybe you've needed to print on the go and you're wondering how this actually works. Well, it's actually rather simple. So with the Gloryang Portable Printer, it includes a carrying case. You do have wired adapters as well. It comes with 3 rolls of thermal paper. And so the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and download this app called Jaden's Printer. Odd name, I feel like, but it is updated quite frequently. So once you download the app, you want to go ahead and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your mobile device. So now that your mobile device is ready, you're going to go ahead and open up the printer. So in order to open it up, you're going to press these gray buttons at the same time so that it opens up. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like and point downwards. So we're simply just going to go ahead and open this up. Now I've already opened up the roll of thermal paper, but what it looks like is this roll is going to be placed inside here. So it looks like this. And then you just need to make sure that when you open it, you place the thermal printing side up. So there's actually a sticker that comes with it that says this side is the printing side. So just make sure that the printing side is faced upwards and then place it inside of the roll. I like to pull a bit of it out and then push it back down until you hear a click. Now, once you hear it click, the next thing that you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to press this gray button to power it on. So I guess you got to hold it. So it's going to start blinking green. And what that means is that it's going to be in Bluetooth pairing mode. So once it starts to blink green, you want to go ahead and open up the Jaden's Printer app on your phone. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And then I just log in as a guest. And this is what the homepage looks like. I go to click on Go to Connect, so which is on the top left-hand side. And go ahead and find your printer, which should be located right down over here. So go ahead and connect to your printer, click on Connect, and you should see a solid green on the printer and also a notification on your phone that says it's now been connected. So from here, you could actually click on Quick Print, and then you can choose from your file, choose from an album. So if you go ahead and choose an album, we can go ahead and print this. So this is just an image of a web page that I'm going to go ahead and print. And so with it, we're going to go ahead and click on print on the top right-hand side. Now, the difference between text and image comes out, in my opinion, a bit more grainy, whereas text is more clear. So we're just going to go ahead and print out the text. So just make sure that the roll paper size is set to roll paper. I normally just set it as dynamic, density is medium. And then I only need 1 copy, so we're just going to set it to 1 copy. And then we're going to go ahead and click on print. So as you can see, it's going to start printing. Right now it's printing via text form, and there you have it. That's pretty much it though, as far as how to use the Gloryang Portable Printer. As you can see, it's still printing. One thing that I've got to get used to though is that I think the Gloryang printer is fantastic, but roll paper is interesting. Like it comes out rolled. So you are going to have to kind of flatten this out eventually. But once it's done, you just go ahead and pull upwards to go ahead and rip it out. And there you have it. So now you have your printed piece of paper like this. And that's pretty much it. So you can use the Gloryang printer with your mobile device. You could also use it with a Windows or a laptop device as well. I really like how it includes a carrying case. It's very easy to use. It also comes with 3 rolls of paper, whereas other portable printers that I've come across only give you 1 roll of paper. And yeah, it really is portable. I mean, it is lightweight, weighs about a pound or so. But that's pretty much it though. If you guys have any questions on how to use this, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.